Stopping for gas is not the time to check your Instagram. It's actually time to pop your hood. It is the best opportunity to look underneath your vehicle because 99% of all gas stations are perfectly flat with a concrete pad. The reason why, they want you to buy as much gas as possible. And if your truck is at an incline, it may not be able to fill it up all the way. So what I like to do is just do a visual inspection under the hood of my vehicle. Is my coolant looking okay? Never open it while the engine is hot. It will burn you. It will hurt. Do not do it, ever. So for checking your coolant level, all you want to do is make sure you do not open this. It is under pressure. It's under 21 pounds of pressure. It's hot and it will burn you. So you just want to make sure that you're above your min line and that you're below your max line. Then I'll go ahead and make sure my battery connections are good, that I don't have any sort of corrosion building up. I'll go ahead and check to see what my brake fluid looks like. And then I'll pull my dipstick on my oil and see what that looks like. So you wipe it clean, you reinstall, and then you pull it back out and you check. Those are the hash marks that you see there. And the two different dots, that's typically a quart of oil on a gas engine. When you're checking your brake fluid level, you actually don't want to open this cap. This is a sealed system. And unfortunately, brake fluid is really good at absorbing water. So every time you open this cap, you're introducing moisture from the environment into this fluid, which you do not want. It happens naturally, you want to prevent it. So you just want to look at the side and see your max level and your min level, and you just want to make sure that you're somewhere in between that. If you notice that you're getting down towards the min level, minimum level, just make sure that your brake pads and your linings have plenty of meat on them. If they do have great pad material left, you'll want to be looking for a leak. Last one is your windshield wiper fluid. You always want to make sure that this is topped off, especially in the winter time when you have all of this salt and material that's just spreading on your windshield. This is really going to save you. So you just want to go ahead and check to see if you can see the reservoir. Most vehicles nowadays, you will not be able to see it. So you can look in there, see if you see anything down there. And if not, it's not a bad idea to pick up 1 gallon, top it off, and leave whatever's extra in your trunk. If you run a business and you have a fleet, you know that the #1 breakdown is lack of lubrication or bad PM maintenance. So if you want to make sure that your drivers know how to inspect every single thing underneath the hood, be sure to give us a call or shoot us a message so we can create a video training library just like this for your business.